Welcome to an episode of Cooking with Jedi. Today I'll teach kids all over the world to make sandwiches, and let me show you what you do first. You need Swiss cheese, ham, or you could use some turkey. You also need bread and you need to toast it. So I'm going to take it out of the bag and I'm going to put it in the toaster. Oh, you let it toast for a long time, even though on the video it doesn't look like. My toast just popped up. Now you want to put on the meat on your sandwich. I would put two slices, but you can put more. So I'm going to put some Swiss cheese on it. You can also bend the cheese and cut in some pieces like this. Like this. And you also need mustard. Can't have a sandwich without mustard. And you might want to shake it first because it might be runny. Now you put the mustard on. Now you close it like this, and then you have a sandwich. Thank you for watching Cooking with Jedi. Bye bye.